I hesitated before recording this because I know this is going to sound extreme. But in 2026, web developers aren't going to get paid to write code anymore. I know that feels uncomfortable. This is uncomfortable to me as well. I've been writing code for many years. I've taught hundreds of thousands of students how to code. So let me explain to you why I'm saying this and what you should focus on if you want to have a successful web developer career in 2026. When I started out, being a developer meant learning syntax and learning frameworks. But with AI, things shifted really fast. The real value is not in coding anymore. It's in decisions, in judgment. It's in knowing how to build things properly, how to structure it, how to put all the pieces together, and how to avoid creating a mess that you will regret a few months later. So when I say developers are not going to write code anymore, I don't mean zero code, no programming, AI does everything. What I mean is that the act of typing code has become cheap. Writing components line by line by hand doesn't make sense anymore when AI can do that faster and well enough to completely change the economics. So the question is, as a web developer, what you should focus on in 2026. I have to admit I have some mixed feelings about this because I love writing code. It's part of my identity. I remember the first time I saw Vue in React and I was amazed by how beautiful these frameworks were. They made development so smooth, so scalable. But honestly, I don't think I will be writing much React and Vue code myself much longer, except for the fun of doing it. Today, most of my work looks like defining problems, choosing architectures, and guiding systems made by humans and AI. The code is still there, but it's not the core of my job anymore. I'm paid to design systems that make businesses more efficient and to mobilize the right resources to get the job done. And if you're just starting, this is actually good news. You don't have to master 10 frameworks. You don't have to memorize syntax. You need to learn how to build things and solve problems with this amazing AI technology we have available right now. You need to learn how to take a small idea and make it work in the simplest way possible. During this process, you are going to make mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. This will help you understand the things that work and the things that don't work. But make sure these iterations happen in days, not months. Take initiatives. Train to look at a website, an app, an internal system, and identify what's not working there and come up with creative solutions to fix it. Remember that coding is not the bottleneck anymore. So web development is not over, but the job is changing faster than most people want to admit. If you adapt how you think, you're going to be fine. But if you don't, no tool is going to save you. This channel is going to focus on that transition in 2026. With AI-driven tutorials and real-life projects. If that's the kind of development you want to get better at, make sure to subscribe. And welcome to web development in 2026.